Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making this transparent crystal blue apple with metallic leaves, and I will be sharing you how to get this transparent look in the painting. So first I start off with a sheet of paper that I tore from an acrylic drawing pad. You could also do it on a canvas, but today I'm going to be making this on a piece of paper. First I'm making a light sketch with a pencil. So this is the base drawing. Always when making paintings, make a very light sketch. Otherwise, when you rub it with an eraser, it will create a dark shadow, and which will not be looking good when we paint it. So for this, the color palette that I'm going to be using is an ultramarine blue, a teeny bit of black and white, and some red, metallic gold and metallic silver. So first layer, I'm wetting the apple with the plain water mixed with a little tiny bit of ultramarine blue paint. And with plain water I'm spreading around so that the apple area gets wet and the paint is easy to flow along. If you make it in a dry paper, the paint won't blend easily, so that's why I'm wetting the area. And then we start laying out the blue color. We would want to leave some areas white because it gives a transparent look. Instead of shading the entire apple, we leave some areas white, and the other areas we will paint with ultramarine blue. I'm adding some reflections in the glass apple. See, this is the reflection of the stem of the apple and the leaves of the apple. It doesn't need to be exact because reflections are not always exactly same size as the other image. When the light gets hit on the glass objects, it reflects randomly. Some areas are big and some areas are small. And the bottom area of the glass apple, that should be a little darker side, because that's the shadow area where the light doesn't hit. Whereas the top area is where the light is coming from, and that's where it should be lighter color in the top area. And I keep on blending with plain water, and I also have little aqua blue paint that I'm using for the middle part. It gives an interesting look when we use multiple colors. That's why I'm using this aqua. And aqua and the ultramarine blue always go together. They blend easily. Just to let you know, friends, I make videos almost every other day at least, so please feel free to hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell icon on your screen, so you will be notified as soon as I post any new videos. And I also welcome my friends to comment on my video if you like me to make any new painting or any new technique that you would like me to demonstrate. I'm more than happy to do that. So please feel free to comment. And I also have another channel where I make kids friendly paintings. You may want to check that out. In the description box I put the link. You may note that I use a lot of water in this painting because the more water, the more transparent look you will be getting. All the shadow areas I'm using darker colors, and the other areas where the light is hitting I'm using transparent colors. And the below shadow I used lots of water with little paint to make this shadow at the bottom. I also have lots of other kind of paintings in my channel. You may want to check that out. I have lots of landscapes, textured paintings, impasto paintings, and lots of other paintings that you may like them. So please feel free to check out my other videos in this channel. And the leaf I'm making metallic color, metallic brass color. And also I use metallic silver for the leaf. It looks like a jewel, crystal jewel with metallic leaf. It looks beautiful when you finish it. And people, feel free to use your imagination to add more leaves or any other color apple that you like to make. Sometimes I use multiple colors and you do 2-3 different apples. So lights from one color reflect on the other and it creates a beautiful look. For instance, a red apple, blue apple, and then yellow. You can all have it in one sheet of paper. Adding little jewels using red and blue. The intention was the stone studded metallic leaf. I like to make paintings every single day because that gives me so much relaxation of my mind. And in fact, I cannot do without making any painting. I feel like I miss something if I don't do art on any day. And I make all these videos during night time or late evenings. That's when I have a lot of free time. Isn't it beautiful so far? I like the way it is coming along. I think the more I blend it, the more it will look beautiful. Normally I keep on working until I get the desired look that I like. Until then I keep on blending colors and working on the painting. And in my other channel, I am using the same painting and I will be demonstrating how to create a 3-dimensional look with the same painting. So please feel free to check out my other video in the other channel. The link in my description box. Now the last part, adding little highlights using pure white color. This is where the brightest part of light hits on the apple. Mainly the top area is the lightest because that's where the light is coming from. See how beautiful the reflection looks. It's already looking like a glass apple. And I love to do transparent objects because that's so much fun to make transparent objects out of opaque acrylic paint. If you like to make acrylic paint look like transparent like watercolors, you just add more water and then keep working on the layers that gives a transparent look. Now adding little highlights using red, because the red in the leaf area, it creates a reflection on the glass apple. So that's why I'm using the teeny bit of red color towards the bottom. Glass reflects any color that is around, so make sure to use those colors when you draw. For instance, if you are working in the same painting in a garden, you will see lots of green color reflection or any reflection from the garden. I'm adding a little more touches towards the shadow area, make it a little darker. When you make transparent objects, make the darkest spot the darkest color, and the lightest part you use pure white. I would like to thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed my cool painting. If you really enjoyed this cool video, please feel free to subscribe and check out my Etsy shop also, where I sell my original paintings to my customers. Please feel free to check out my other Instagram, Pinterest, and lots of other social media where I post art regularly. Art is my passion, and it's my life, and I can't think of a life without art. I recommend that you try my drawings every day, so it gives you relaxation to your mind, and it's so much fun to do projects with kids. So this painting is almost done. So see you again tomorrow with another new painting. Please come back again tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you all, and have a great day. Bye bye.